So those who know about Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's Jamaat, Mirza Bashir Ahmad M.A., the second son of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, he has produced a particular book which brother Azim was mentioning, which is called Kalimatul Fasl. And the topic of this book is that what is the ruling of someone who rejects Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. So he wrote that book, and after that, he said that, look, I have produced that book, I have clarified everything. Then he produced another article, a very short article. Why? He said that now I want to summarize everything on this topic of that if you reject Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, who are you? Right? So in this article, I'm going to quote the last and final quotation, in which he is summarizing everything for all of us. He says that अगर गौर से सॉरी he says that फिर इसी किताब के सफा नंबर 163 पे लिखा है, he says that in book of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, i.e. the father of Mirza Bashir, he says that this is written in the book of Mirza Ghulam. What is that? जो मुझे नहीं मानता वो खुदा उसके रसूल को भी नहीं मानता. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's son Mirza Bashir is saying that his father said that the one who does not believe in me, i.e. in Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, this person does not believe in Allah and his messenger. And then he says then he gives his final conclusion, which I want all of you to listen very carefully. He says, इन सब हवालों पे यकजाई तौर पे नजर डालने से, he says that if we put all the writings of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani together and we look at them together, इससे साफ पता लगता है, then we can draw a clear conclusion कि हजरत मसीह अपने जाहिरी कुफर को बातनी तौर पे मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बल्कि जाते बारी ताला का कुफर करार दे रहे हैं. वहुवल मुराद. Mirza Bashir, son of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, says that if we look at all the references of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, the conclusion we can draw very clearly is that according to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, note the point, Mirza Bashir is saying, according to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, if you reject Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, let me say one more time, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's son is telling us that if you put together all writings of his father Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and then you can draw the following conclusion. What is the conclusion? He says, according to his dad Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, rejection of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is equivalent to, let me repeat, rejection of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is equivalent to the batini or inner kufr of Rasulullah and Allah. I.e. Mirza Bashir is saying that according to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, if you reject Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, you are outwardly kafir of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and you are inwardly kafir of Allah and his messenger Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is the conclusion Mirza Bashir gave, that after rejecting Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, you are not only outwardly kafir of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, but at the same time you are inwardly kafir of Allah and his messenger.